You already know where the fuck we at today. It's the motherfucking 20th. And they about to go down. These niggas is in dishonor. They didn't respond to my filing 2 months ago. So, United States versus Kiss. Unrebutted affidavit stands as truth. So, that is our argument. We going in there. We got a whole bunch of shit for them. We'll see if they even, they respect it or not. You know what I'm saying? And if not, we go to trial and I'll smoke them over there. Either way, they have to, and if they don't, if they do move forward, they're gonna prove, you're gonna see the whole corruptness. So they don't want to do that because it will be public for everybody to see. You know what I'm saying? So let's go in here and go handle these niggas. I'll be back on this shit. I'm here on a special appearance in proper persona sui juris as a living man.
In proper what?
In proper persona sui juris as a living man. Let the record reflect also that I'm the beneficiary and the secure party of the estate, and I do not consent to any presumption.
All right, so Mr. Delone, we've gone through your motion. Unfortunately, nothing we can do with them. They can make a whole lot of sense. And the court denied your application. There's no basis in law of fact.
Objection, Your Honor. Those I cited. Those are straight case laws, and an affidavit unrebutted stands as truth. The prosecutor did not rebut the affidavit. You gave him a deadline to the 11th. If I did the same thing, I would be in dishonor. The prosecution is in dishonor, and they cannot move forward without and being in dishonor. You can't move forward and act like you're in honor. It doesn't work that way. And I move for dismissal again because off of that facts on the United States versus Kiss. Yeah, so, and that's where we're at.
United States versus who?
Kiss, yeah. United States versus, unrebutted, you know that, yeah. Where is it? Yeah, an unrebutted affidavit stands as truth on the United States versus Kiss. And also, Mullen versus Central Hanover Bank. The notice and an opportunity to be heard is a central element of due process. By them not answering, violated my due process by them not answering in the way you ordered them to.
All right, so I know your exception, okay, is
I want to rule in on the.
I'm sorry, you're going to allow the judge to talk.
He is.
yeah, so, okay.
Thank you.
So just let me respond to your, okay.
Yeah.
I know you disagree with the decision, okay, it's preserved for appeal, okay? So that's why I let you speak, and so we have to move on. So,
Okay, so what is where is the what are the elements or the basis for the denial of my motion?
okay, you made a motion.
Yeah.
Like I told you before, it doesn't make any sense.
Okay, well, you have to. Okay, go ahead.
So it's dismissed based, as there's no valid basis in law of fact.
So the law states that to challenge something, you have to rebut it point by point. Where is that rebuttal?
Okay, so I understand you disagree with the court's decision, all right, but that's the court's decision.
Okay, so then what? So what are we doing?
So the only thing left now is to proceed to trial.
So then that's what we're doing. But the case, we can't really, and in all reality, I object to all of that because we can't move forward without you guys are not honoring the dishonor. You're allowing the courts to be in dishonor and you're moving forward, which is a violation of my due process. I could a court must dismiss a case if there's unnecessary delay. On the federal rule of criminal procedure 48. Excuse me?
Just keep your hands on your pocket, sir. That's all. Keep your hands on your
What?
pocket.
Why I can't have my hands in my? You got some type of authority over me or something? What do you mean I can't have my hands in my pocket?
I do, sir. I just
Well, what is wrong with my hand going in my
Mr.
pocket?
Delone, it's a safety thing.
Safety
all right?
issues.
That was crazy. I mean, yo, give me some space, my brother. Like, come on,
You
man.
got space.
All right, but there's no
You got
reason for
space.
all of that. There's no
Mr.
reason for
Delone,
all
You
of
got
that.
space.
Mr. Delone, let's just concentrate on what you're arguing.
So let's move on. So A constitutional challenge must be answered. Hagan versus Levine. Constitutional issues must be decided before statutory matters, which clearly it wasn't. You haven't rebutted it point by point. No verified complainant on this case. Gonzalez versus State. The court is without jurisdiction, absent and valid of a complainant as well. You guys have not proven jurisdiction. I don't see no verified complainant signature, nothing, and you guys are continuing to move forward, violating my due process, and you're allowing this to continue to go on, and it's been going on.
So I understand. You put your objections on the record, and a higher court will review what happened, and if you're right, they will rule it penny.
They will, because the truth.
They will rule you if you're right, but then I made my decision, and we have to move on.
You do what you do. You want to be in dishonor, and that you'll be held accountable too for everything. That's all right.
The only thing left to do is to try this case. All right.
If that's where we gotta go.
Trying a case is very difficult. I would not suggest you do it on your own.
Mm-hmm.
And I suggest you get the assistance of an attorney.
No, thank you. I object to everything. If that's what you're saying, but I object to even moving forward to trial. I move for dismissal on the basis of what I said. You guys have not rebutted my motions, and you're just doing it real vague, saying it doesn't make no sense. That is not lawful, and you know that.
So you made your motion dismissed on your papers and it was denied.
Okay, unlawfully.
That's your position, but you have to move on.
No, it's state law. I just cited case law that says you can't do that, and that you got to rebut it point by point, and you haven't. You're literally saying, "Oh yeah, it's just it doesn't make no sense, so we're just gonna move forward." It doesn't work like that.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjourn this case to.
He needs to answer those motions, those arguments point by point, and even move it and even answer it now. He's already delayed. So my due process has already been violated.
Okay. I understand your objections. We're gonna have a conference on January 8th. All right? I'll see you in January.
How you do that? Yeah.
All